Start of main wash now. Don't forget to subscribe. Detergent overdose. Not much in it, not much excitement just yet. It's great though.